Akiba Yozi, elimu haina mwisho. Katika shule ya msingi ya Mazameli, Robert Marasuka inawakaribisha sana Jevajile na nashukuru kwa kuja kuona vipaji vya watoto wenzetu. Mimi ni Lamsa Mbembati. Karibuni sana Jevajile TV. Asanteni.
We are going to have a debate. A debate's motion is urban life is better than rural life, and I am going to be the chairperson of this debate, as we are going to have opposers and proposers. Proposers side are Honorable Apigori Vincent, Honorable Venerosi Maimu, Honorable Alexandra Albert, Honorable Alves Kiaka, Honorable Lamson Bembachi. Opposite side, Honorable Evelyn Mtoi, Honorable Christian Levocatus, Honorable Maureen Monyo, Honorable Eunice Wilfred, Honorable Nasaniela Mongi, Honorable Harvest Mushi. My secretary Gracie Mkwizu and Eileen Emmanuel, Grammarian Nelvin Nelson, Judge Aika Teye, Timekeeper Gracie Justin, and audience, you are welcome. You are all warmly welcome in this debate. The first person is Honorable Evelyn Mtoi from opposite side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this chance. My name is Evelyn Mtoi. I am in Standard 5 Shipyard Mazameli Pre and Primary School. I am here to oppose the motion which said that urban life is better than rural life. To my side, rural life is better than urban life. Why? In rural areas, there is no social evil than in urban area. In urban area, there is many social evils. Example of those social evil: killing, robbers, child labor, and kidnapping. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Evelyn Mtoi, for your good point. Is there any question? You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this chance. Thank you, Eve, for your good point, but I have one question for you. What should the government do to reduce social evils in urban areas?
Thank you for your nice question. Society should cooperate together so as to maintain peace and security. Also, people should educate to their right. This can avoid child labor and kidnapping. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Evelyn Mtoi, for a good point. The next person is Honorable Apigori Vincent from proposer side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this. Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, and audience. My name is Apigori Vincent Sangari. I am in grade 4 at Mazameli Primary School. I am here to support the motion which states that urban life is better than rural life with the following reason. First, in urban life, there is availability of job opportunities. Many people, especially youth, come in town to look for jobs due to presence of many companies, processing industries, private and government sector. While in rural life, there is not these companies which offer employment. Thank you.
Honorable Apigori Vincent, for your good point. Is there any question?
Thank you, Apigori, for your good point. But I have one question to you. What should the government do to the availability of jobs in rural areas?
Thank you, Evelyn, for your good question. The government should give loans to the youth in order to invest in farming activity. Also, the government should establish processing and manufacturing industries in rural areas. This can save an employment problem. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Apigori Vincent, for your good point. The next person is Honorable Christian Nevocatus from opposite side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for this chance. Good afternoon, teachers and my fellow pupils.
Good afternoon, Christian.
My name is Christian. I'm in standard 7 at Mother Mary Primary School. I'm here to oppose the motion that states that urban life is better than rural life, because in rural life there are availability of major economic activities such as agriculture, fishing and mining, which contribute to the national income. Therefore, our national development are influenced by those major economic activities which are not found in urban. Therefore, rural life is better than urban life. Thank you.
Thank you, Christian. Honorable Christian Nevocatus, for your good point. Is there any question? You are welcome.
Thank you, Christian, for your good point. But I have one question. You have said that rural areas, due to different activity, it contributes much to the national income. But also in urban area, we have company which pay revenue, which also contribute for the national income. Thank you, Ramson, for a good question. Yes, in urban there are companies, industries, but they depend on rural area to give out raw materials. Thank you.
The next person is Honorable Venerosi Maimu from opposite side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this chance. Good afternoon, teachers and my fellow pupils.
Good afternoon, Venerosi.
My name is Venerosa Beno. I am standard 5 at Mother Mary Primary School. I'm going to propose the motion that states that urban life is better than rural life. To my side, urban life is better than rural life. Why? In urban life, there is availability of social services like schools, hospital, water supplies, and electricity suppliers. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Venerosi Maimu, for your good point. Is there any additional point? Okay. Is there any question? You are welcome.
Thank you, Veneros, for your good presentation. But I have one question to you. What measures should be taken by the government to improve social services in rural areas? Thank you, Shazma, for your good question. Government should supply electricity in rural areas, building water wells, building schools and hospitals in each ward. Those actions can improve social services in the villages or rural areas. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Venerosi Maimu, for your good point. The next person is Honorable Maureen Monyo from opposite side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this opportunity. Good afternoon, teachers and my fellow pupils.
Good afternoon, Maureen.
My name is Maureen Monyo. I am in standard 6 at Mother Mary Primary School. I am here to oppose the motion which states that urban life is better than rural life. To my side, rural life is better than urban life. Why? Because rural area have advantages over urban area, for example, in beauty, nature, fresh air, enough of water, and low rent. And this is very different to urban area. And therefore, rural life is better than urban life. Thank you.
The next person is Honorable Alexandra Albert from Proposer's side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this opportunity. Good afternoon, teachers and my fellow pupils.
Good afternoon, Alexandra.
My name is Alexandra. I am standard 6 at Mother Mary Pre and Primary School. I am here to propose the motion which states that urban life is better than rural life. To my side, urban life is better than rural life because there is many recreational areas. Examples of those places are beaches, swimming pools, historical sites, theaters, and stadiums for sport and games. While in rural areas there is no those places. Therefore, urban life is better than rural areas. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Alexandra Albert, for a good point. Is there any question? You are welcome.
Thank you, Alexandra, for your good. Thank you, Chairperson. Thank you, Alexandra, for your good recitation. My question to you is, what are the importance of recreation areas to young children like us?
Thank you, Gifness, for your good question. Recreational areas such as parks, playgrounds, beaches are recreational areas like parks, playgrounds, and beaches help us to feel happiness, enjoy, and relax. But also, we learn social skills in order to stay strong and healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Alexandra Albert, for a good point. The next person is Honorable Eunice Wilfred from Watoto side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this chance. Good afternoon, my teachers and my fellow pupils.
Good afternoon, Eunice.
My name is Eunice Wilfred Mabula. I am in Standard 7 at Mother Mary Pre and Primary School. I am going to oppose the motion which states that urban life is better than rural life. Why? Because in rural life there is availability of natural foodstuffs like ugali, cassava, and so on. While in urban areas, they process artificial foodstuffs like vegetables containing chemical fertilizers and potatoes made in industries. By saying that, rural areas is better than urban areas. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Eunice Wilfred, for a good point. Is there any question? You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this chance. And thank you, Eunice, for your good presentation. But I have one question for you. Can't we grow any crops in urban areas?
Yes, you can, but it is not at high rate as in rural areas.
Thank you, Honorable Eunice Wilfred, for your good point. The next person is Honorable Alves Mushi from opposite side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this chance. My name is Alves. I'm in Standard 7 at Mother Mary Pre and Primary School, and I'm here to oppose the motion which states that urban life is better than rural life, because in rural areas people have stronger cooperation with neighborhoods, families, society, and the community, rather than urban, where people are just concerned about their phones, computers, and medias. Example of those medias are social medias. Therefore, rural life is better than urban life. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Alves Mushi, for your good point. The next person is Honorable Ramson Bembati from a proposer side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this chance. I'm supporting that urban life is better than rural life. Why? In urban life, there is good technology education which can help a person to perform different activity and get success in his life. Even people from rural areas, they come in urban in order to get that education so that they can be rich in their life and to have better life. So urban life is better than rural life. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Ramson Bembati, for your good presentation. The next person is Honorable Nathaniela Mongi from opposite side. You are welcome.
Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Nathaniela Goodluck Mongi. I'm studying at Mother Mary Pre and Primary School. I am in Standard 7. I'm here to oppose the motion which said that urban life is better than rural life. To my side, rural life is better than urban life. Why? People who live in rural life promote our culture through tribal song, tribal language, eating traditional food, while people who live in urban area do not promote our culture. Most of them copy Western culture, for example, wearing indecent clothes, speaking English and other language which do not promote our culture. Therefore, rural life is better than urban life. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Nathaniela Mongi, for your good point. Is there any question? Okay. Thank you everyone for your time and concentration. I appreciate your regard as the chairperson, but urban areas and rural areas are all better, since the areas depend on the way people connect themselves with the environment which they live. So, urban areas and rural areas are all better. Thank you.
Good morning, class. Good morning. My name is Wilson Charles. I'm from grade 4 Mother Mary School. I'm here to present about sensory organ. We have 5 sensory organs. The first one is ear, the second one is eyes, the third one is skin, the fourth one is nose, and the fifth one is tongue. I'm going to tell you more about the internal structure of the human ear. Here we have 3 parts. The first part is outer ear, the second one is middle ear, and the third one is inner ear. I'm going to take you until to the outer ear. The outer ear has pinna, ear canal, and eardrum. Pinna is used to collect sound waves from the environment. And we have the ear canal. The ear canal is used to direct the sound waves to the eardrum. The eardrum is used to change the sound wave into vibration. The vibration is sent to the middle ear, whereby
The middle ear is consisted by 3 bones. The first bone is known as hammer, the second one is known as ampule, and the third one is known as stirrup. When the vibration hits here, the vibration will be sent into the inner ear. The inner ear is made up of semicircular canal, and inside of the semicircular canal there is something known as end off. This part is used for balancing the body. And when you finish here, there is something known as cochlea. Cochlea is the main thing is responsible for hearing. After then, the vibration will be sent in the auditory nerve, whereby it's sent into the brain for interpretation. Thank you.
Hi everyone. We are chemists from Mother Mary Primary School. My name is Chemist Ivan. This is Chemist Margaret. This is Chemist Yomi. This is Chemist Elias, and that is Chemist Evans. Today we are going to demonstrate how can you identify acidic, basic, and neutral solution using Bougainville pH detector. But for today, the materials we are going to use are available in our local environment. For example, glasses, glass, lemon, bottle, filter, spoon, baking soda, and knife. I would like to welcome my fellow chemist Margaret to talk more about it.
Once again, my name is Margaret, and I will be with you through making an indicator. First of all, what is indicator? Indicator is a substance which is used to identify whether a solution is basic, acidic, or neutral. In our daily environment, we have different types of indicator. Example, we have POP, we have methyl orange, and litmus paper. But today we are not going to use any of those. We are going to use our own indicator made from Bougainville flour and alcohol. First, we take the petals of our Bougainville flour, put here, and then we grind. Then we take them, we put here, we add some water, that to obtain the juice extract. Remove our petals. Then we filter it, we put it into our beaker. Then we add some alcohol. Then we stir it. We add some more alcohol. Then we stir it. Then we leave it to settle for some time. Our indicator is is ready. You can call it Bougainville pH indicator.
I am going to take you through the preparation of lemon juice solution. First, we cut our lemon. Then we squeeze into our glass. Then we add a certain amount of water. After that, our lemon juice solution is ready, as you can see.
I'm going to take you through a preparation of baking soda solution. First, we take our baking soda solution, as you can see. We put in our beaker, this one which you see here. We take a certain amount. Then we add some water. Then we stir it. After that, our baking soda solution is ready. As you can see, we leave it to settle for some time. Here we have our indicator. We take our lemon juice. Then we put our indicator. Observe the color tint. As you can see, our lemon juice has retained the color of our indicator. So here we have already known that our lemon juice is acid and our baking soda is base. So what are the applications of our indicator? Indicator can be used to test rainwater, whether it is acidic or basic.
But also, farmers can use to determine acidity of the soil for better crop plantation.
Furthermore, we can use for homemade science kits.
At Mother Mary, we believe in learning using local resources. Margaret, Ivan, Jovin, Elias, and I learning science, not just from books, but from nature, right from Bougainville flower in our school garden. Thank you for learning with us.
Hi everyone. Hi. My name is Petra Petungo Malala from Mother Mary School, grade 5. Proceeding with other mathematical problem pertaining square and square roots of a number. What is square number? Square number is a number that is obtained by multiplying a number by itself. This product of square number is a number which multiplies the number by itself. Let's look at the following examples. Have you seen this? The square tiles which are laid on the floor. Here, if you want to know the total of these square tiles, you should count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the easy way to do, you can write 4 raised to 2, which is equal to 4 times 4. Why you write 4 times 4? Because this 4 has squared. So here we write 4 times 4 because this 4 is squared. 4 times 4 equal to 16. In mathematics, you should know multiplication. Let's go to other question. It says, what is the square of 7? Here we are going to write 7 raised to 2, which is equal to 7 times 7. Here we write 7 times 7, not 7 times 2, because here because it is raised to 2. So here put is equal to 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. 7 times 7 is 49. Therefore, the square number of 7 is 49. Square root. Square root is of a given number is a number which, when you multiply by itself, it gives a square number. This sign represents a square root. Let's see the following example. It says find the square roots of 81. Why it says find the square root of 81? Because of this sign. Here the solution we are going to do is this one. Here we are going to write inside 81. Here we are going to find a number which has multiplied 2 times to get 81 and a number which has multiplied 2 times and ends with 1. Let's try 1 times 1. 1 times 1 equal to 1. It ends with 1 bit, but we didn't get the exact number 81. Let's try 9 times 9. Which is equal to 81. Here it ends with 1 and we get exactly number 81. So here we are going to write 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. Therefore, the square root of 81 is 9. The following example says find the square root of 625. Here we are going to do the following. Here the first step, we separate 2 numbers from right. This one is our right side, so we separate 1, 2. Which this is inner and this is outer. Here we are finding the number which has multiplied 2 times to get 6 or nearby 6. Let's try. 1 times 1 equal to 1. We didn't get the exact number 6. 2 times 2 equal to 4. 3 times 3 equal to 9. But 9 is greater than 6. So here we are going to 2. 2 times 2 equal to 4. Here we write 2 times 2. Here we minus 4 because 2 times 2 equal to 4. Here we are going to minus 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Here we are going to use the number which we have separated them, which is 25. Here we are going to drop all 2 numbers. In outer we multiply, but here now we are going to add. Here we are adding so as to get 225. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Here we are putting a boxes which we put the same numbers so as to get 225. And here our box which we come to put the answer. We are finding in multiplication a number which has ends with 5. Let's try 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equal to 25. So we will write 25 and we carry 2. We write 5, we carry 2. 5 times 4 equal to 20 plus that 2 which is equal to 22. So here we get the exact number 225, which we are going to minus 225. And here, this number we are going to write here up. And here the exact number of square root of 625 is 25. Thank you for listening. For more mathematical problems pertaining square and square roots of a number, follow me, Mother Mary School.
hatimaye kila kitu ambacho kina mwanzo huwa kina mwisho wake. Na leo tulikuwa katika shule ya Mother Mary ambayo inapatikana Kimara Suka. Na ukitoka tu Suka, ukifika tu baada ya kutoka pale Suka, lazima utakuwa umefika Kimara Temboni. Kuna jambo ambalo nimelimaanisha hapo kupitia wasau. Na ndani humu tumepata burudani, lakini sio hapo tu, tumepata elimu, kujifunza mambo mengi sana. Na ukumbuke kipindi hiki kinapewa nguvu na madhabahu ya Ngome Yesu Kristo chini ya mtumishi wa Mungu kuhani na mwalimu Musa Richard Mwacha. Na leo nimefurahi sana kwa sababu nimekutana na watoto wenye shule lenye maana kubwa sana, Mother Mary. Mimi naamini kuna kitu ambacho tumekifahamu na kukipata. Hivyo basi usipange kukosa katika ibada ya siku ya kesho ambayo ni siku ya Jumapili, na Mungu ataenda kukubariki sana mtoto ambaye upo nyumbani. Nyuma kamera alikuwa pale Freedom, lakini producer kipindi hiki ni Happiness Mincha. Nikukaribisha ndani ya Ngome ya Yesu Kristo katika siku ya kesho, na mimi ni Sara Mwanga.